Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. Today I want to share with you a very special product that I've come across that helps me in a lot of the stuff I do. I'm talking about the Nihilo 716 Advanced Cleaning Formula. This is a crazy idea for any company to come out with a new cleaning spray. There's so many cleaning sprays out on the market that it's saturated. So for a company like Nihilo, which is a US based company in Florida actually, to think it's a good idea to come out with the spray, it has to be good. So basically, why would you come out with something if it wasn't good or better than the current products on the market? So that was enough for me to want to try it out. So I got myself several cans, and I'm glad I did because I go through this stuff really fast. It's good for motorcycle chains. It's good for cleaning the motorcycle parts in general. You can see this, what I'm doing here on my vintage bikes and on the Husqvarna EE5. I really like this spray for the electric bikes because it dries super fast. And I'm a brake clean guy. I've always used brake cleaner to spray everything off, and you know, it's just been okay. It's worked fine. It's easily available, and it's just kind of the lazy man's cleaner. Till I got the 716 in my hands, I realized I was doing myself a disservice. Brake clean is good. It's okay. It cleans everything off just fine, but it leaves kind of the gritty residue behind. The 716 blasts off all the sand, all the granules of sand and grains of sand particles that are all over my bikes because of the sugar sand here in Florida. This stuff blasts it off, and that's important to me because everything has sand on it and it's really hard to get rid of. So this spray has also been extremely useful in our go-kart racing. So we race go-karts. Renan has a kid kart, and it has a little 50cc two-stroke motor on it, and that carburetor gets clogged so easily. So basically we're cleaning out the carbs almost every race, every other session, I'd say, just to make sure that they don't get clogged up because the jets are so small in them. The 716 is what I use exclusively for carburetor cleaning now, whether it's the go-kart carburetors or the carbs on my small bore bikes, the 50cc bikes especially, even the bigger bikes. Any carburetor you have to clean, this product does an excellent job, and I'll show you right here. Cleaning out some of these carbs. One of them I pulled off my Honda XR50 that's been sitting around forever. It's pretty grimy and pretty junky. Blasted it off with the 716 and it was good to go. Just really cleaned it up nice. So I can personally recommend this product for anyone that's got maybe a motocross effort going, or a go-kart, even just a bunch of bikes if you work on them. It's like $8 or $9 a can, which isn't too far off for brake clean. So what I would recommend is just buying a whole bunch, like you see I got back there, because you'll go through it quick. You'll find a use for it in just about everything. Also, it's got uses for cleaning off plastics before you put graphics on for the motocross bikes. So I thought that was pretty clever as well. I didn't really get into too much of that, but I have sprayed it on my plastics before, and it's cleaned off everything, and it hasn't ate into the plastics or harmed the plastic at all. So what more could you really ask for with the spray? So I'm really happy with this spray. I keep it in my track box for both go-karts and motocross. I also use it on my race cars too. So with the Spec Miata racing, sometimes you take apart something that's on the engine. You don't want to put it back on dirty. Quick blast to the 716 and it's good to go. So not much more to say about cleaning spray, except that this one I can say is worth it. So pick up a box of it from Nihilo Concepts. I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video. You can just jump right to it from my page here and check it out for yourself. So hope this video enlightened you to a really, really good new product on the market, and hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Thanks for watching.